In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing important security and quality fixes error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This message usually appears in Windows Update when something is blocking your system from installing the latest updates. That can leave your computer without important security patches, so it's worth fixing right away. I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process to get updates working again. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key plus the letter I on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, go to Update and Security if you're on Windows 10, or Windows Update if you're on Windows 11. Here, look for any pending updates. Click Check for Updates and let Windows scan. If you see the Missing Important Security and Quality Fixes message, note any error codes shown beneath it, as they can be useful later. Next, we'll run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. Still in the Settings window, go to the Troubleshoot section. On Windows 10, click Update and Security, then Troubleshoot, and Additional Troubleshooters. On Windows 11, open System, then Troubleshoot, and Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list, then click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the tool to detect and fix common problems. When it's finished, restart your computer and return to Windows Update to check for updates again. If the error is still there, we'll reset the Windows Update components manually. Click the Start button, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, you'll need to stop the update services, clear the update cache, and then start the services again. Carefully enter the commands shown on screen in the same order, pressing Enter after each one. Take your time here. A small typo can cause the command to fail. When you're done, close the command prompt and restart your computer once more. After restarting, go back into Settings, open Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. In many cases, the error should now be gone, and updates will begin downloading and installing normally. Allow them to finish, and if prompted, restart your device. If you still see the message, it's possible that a third-party antivirus, a metered connection, or corrupted system files are interfering. At that point, you may want to temporarily disable extra security software. Ensure your network isn't set as metered, or run a system file check using an elevated command prompt. By carefully following these steps, you should be able to remove the missing important security and quality fixes error and keep your Windows 10 or 11 device fully up to date and secure.